Hello, welcome back to my class. Today I will continue to talk about final. Last time I have done the long A sound with final consonant. Today I will talk about short A with final consonant. Just remember, we don't have just short A sound. We have short A with I, short A with U, ow, short A with M, close lips, and then short A with N, so this time closed teeth only, and then short A with NG, so you need to flat your lip shape and open a little bit. Short A with P, up. Same, just close lips only. Don't pronounce P out. So don't say up, no. Say up, close lips only, up. And then T, same, just say at, so closed teeth only. At, so don't say at, no. At. Alright, silent the T sound. And the last one, same, silence the K sound. Open big, round mouth. So don't say no, too strong the ending sound. We just silent the ending sound. So Alright, that's it for short A sound with final consonant. See you next time. Bye bye. 記得 subscribe 我個 channel，like 同埋 share 我呢條片啊！